Okay, right there, we're at the park. This park is about less than half a mile away from the front of the car wash. And here we are at the lake, barely half a mile away. And this is the Sabine River Authority Public Recreation Area. So, if you want to come down here and have some public recreation on the lake.
Wow, there's still some water.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you gotta come while there's still water, that's right.
All the way up here. It is low.
It is low. You can see it.
So I think this is the best time to buy is whenever the river's low or the lake is low. So people are like, oh, we're not even close to the lake. And then whenever the lake comes back up, we'll be lakefront. And this is the park. You can go swimming.
I think it is low. Look, there's
You can go pavilion. Whenever folks want to come have a wedding, a party, family reunion, this is the spot. And then go fishing right off of this dock. And the kids can go jump in the waters. I like this pavilion, it's pretty nice. That's a great pavilion. Simple,
Simple,
but got a lot of plug-ins laid out nicely.
It's in a good spot.
So this is what anybody who pays taxes or water bill or any of that to the Sabine River Authority, it goes to make all this beautiful area, this nice pavilions,
That's what I want.
this nice driving area, keeping the grass cut. So let's drive through the actual park now.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, usually the water will come right up to, about 20 feet from this road that we're on right now.
They even have a little walk route.
Mm-hmm. And so,
It's clean.
Yes,
That's what-
yes, it is very
That's
clean.
what catches
Attraction.
people
Yeah.
attention.
they're also building, it looks like they're building bathroom, shower area.
They built the playground. Remember last time we were here?
Yeah.
They were building
Good.
the playground.
Stop, Mark.
Yeah.
So you can
That's what
see
we
right
need right
there, that's
It's
the,
gonna be like a shower.
yep, look like a shower house, bathroom, all that, power, water, sewer, all set up right there already. And then the other side, right there's the lake. Isn't it beautiful? This is a great lake. It's a really beautiful lake. We would have never found this this place without old Josh Lance Sartain.
I know, right?
There he is, right there in the
Hi,
back.
people. How you doing?
So
YouTubers.
Lance showed us.
Me.
Lance showed us his property earlier today. That was the 400 acres, plus another
90.
plus another 90, plus another 700 next to it. It's like ridiculous. It's just so much land. Everywhere you turn, it's more land, more land, more land. And whenever he was first telling us about that one, we were trying to figure out how are we going to comp this property. And so what we did is we started looking around, and sure enough, what did we find? We found the car wash. And the car wash is not even an RV park. It's not even land like we thought we were looking for. But sure enough, we went and looked into it. Turned out to be a really good deal, so we made an offer on it, and that's going to actually be our first RV park right there. So we're less than half a mile away from our RV park, and here's another one. And if you notice, they are full. They are full. Now they're actually like front.
That is good property.
So,
Location up there.
and they've got a boat ramp right there.
Oh, they fixed no, not yet.
They didn't fix it
Open
yet.
now.
It's open?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
It looks like they added gravel to
Oh yeah. So since the lake has been so low, that boat ramp I think has been having issues. They've been doing some repair work on it. So we're gonna go right across this little bridge here, and right on the other side of the bridge, another RV park. Big surprise. telling you, it's a very popular area.
Especially on this end of the lake.
Yeah.
Good.
This is the area. This is the hot spot. The main town that's in this area is Yentis, and we are about 5 minutes drive from Yentis. And the Neon Moon has big time country music stars coming and playing there all the time. So if you look over here on my right, you're gonna see there's a boat ramp right there. Let's see if I can get it in the picture. There's a boat ramp. So that's a public boat ramp. That doesn't belong to this RV park that's right next to it. That's a public boat ramp. So that means that all of our people can use it. There's another public boat ramp right over there. And this is, you want to go to the RV park? Or you want to go to the park? Okay. There's Marky Mark,
Marky Mark.
driving the truck for the day. There's the bridge that we just went across. There's another boat. Yes, there's another boat.
She's so conceited.
So this is the boat ramp. Let's see if we can do this right here.
That's the
It
alligator
says there's
snapping
an
turtle.
alligator snapping turtle.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Those are great.
It says right there.
Oh.
Back up, Mark. So she can see, because that's what's off in that water, yeah.
Look.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that thing, eh? Let's get a close-up picture of that
We'll
thing.
bite you.
There's the alligator snapping turtle,
It's a thing which kill him.
which is going to bite your little toes off, so be careful.
They're being protected. So you can't hunt it.
If you catch him, they find
Mark.
game warden, they will fire you for that one.
All right, let's go check out those RV park right next door.
I wonder what the property costs from this one here. That other one over there. That's a nice boat.
So some of these RVs are set up for like people that are already living there,
Yeah.
right?
Or they use it more like a,
Like some people just come temporary, but
Yeah.
some are
Some
living.
stay.
well,
Some are full-time RVers.
yeah, and a lot of them, the RV just stays here, and they go back into Dallas and live their life.
So they have a house.
Yep. So this is their kind of country house kind of situation.
Patios, everything up on these things.
Yep. Getting wild with it, huh? This is a nice Corvette. These are all nice. Yeah, these are all nice motor coaches and fifth wheels. There's not any raggedy ones.
Little patios set up
Now, this is a good view. This it too.
right here. This
Yeah,
is
you like
nice.
that? You like that, yeah. Yes, ma'am.
So this is an RV park that's about a mile away from ours. It's on the lake, and it's all full.
85% guaranteed. Yeah, that was more than
Yeah, 95 and up.
yeah.
95% occupancy and higher. It's just a really popular place. It's a really popular activity. First of all, here in Texas, it's really popular. Here at Lake Fork, it's even more popular. And we just happen to find a piece of property that's right smack dab in the middle of all that.